Hey, groovy guys and gals, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an Am-8 track out of a 77 Pontiac Can-Am, or Le Mans Sport Coupe. It's now an AM/FM 8-track with Bluetooth, an HD radio, and a heck of a lot more output power because the customer's going with a new harness in place of the original connectors. And so let's make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment for the one strong station I receive in my area, so we can demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions without playing someone's music. So here we go.
Price guaranteed. Find us at southwestTruckandRV.com.
Okay, going to adjust the virtual front-rear fader, which we do using the tone control. Start with the tone control in about the center position. Give it 2 quick turns to the right.
Brought to you by Yavapai Humane Society.
As a fader adjust.
Okay, and now we're using the same control
is only possible
to adjust our front-rear fader.
From the moment a pet enters our doors, aired and unsure, to the moment a loving family gives them a
center
home. You are their hero. Thank you for feeding their fader.
Okay,
they're hurting
left-right balance, same procedure except we rotate our tone control twice to the left.
Learn more at yavapaihumane.org. Balance adjust.
Okay,
where every animal
all the way left, all the way right.
I'm Lindsay Draper with your KQ&A
Left,
Netflix,
right.
with what's now showing
Okay,
at the picture
center
show at
those.
Frontier Village. The Mr. Balance set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Disney Snow White. Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, which on this radio we do by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. We don't need this stuff anymore. So let's do this. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets at the station in my area for a quick test.
The Net Archives and Records Administration. The agency oversees.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. That's a Neil Sedaka here.
The cat's meow. Don't underestimate. Gotta travel on you. I'll keep you with. You're an angel.
Okay, hit the eject button. Tape comes out. Radio comes back. Okay, and then the dial-light comes on anytime the radio's on, because that's the way the turn it off, dial-light goes off, turn it on. You can see it go on. That's because on this type of radio, the dial-light has to be on to be able to see the tuning pointer. It's kind of dumb, but that's the way the radio is designed. So, okay, everything's working. She's ready to go back. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. Just click on the link. It'll take you right to my website. And from the home page of that website, please download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that's all listed in the work order. It's designed to save me, to keep me on the bench more than on the phone, basically. I don't get any work done on the phone, guys, so if you could please do that research before calling me, I'm perfectly happy to talk to you after you've done that. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Danny, for your business all the way from Alberta, Alabama, and we'll see you guys next time.